The mailman just rolled up. So, we've been waiting for this to come, and we are super excited.
Yeah, Ken from Hunt Bike Wheels, he's the brand manager, sent us some sweet new 54mm deep race wheels. They're pretty epic.
All right, let's unbox them and check them out.
Dang!
These are epic.
You know what we gotta do is a hub sound test. Look at how loud that is. 54mm deep. It came with some tubeless valve stems. We're gonna get some tires on there, some disc rotors, got some extra spoke, some sweet wheels.
Now we're gonna take them over to Greg, the local bike stand, and he's gonna set them up tubeless, and he's gonna put some new disc rotors on them, so that then we'll be able to roll.
These are gonna be our sweet new race wheels. Let's go see Greg. So Greg is getting our new wheels all set up. He's putting tubeless tires on there, installing new disc rotors and cassette. And once they're all set up, we're gonna go take them for a spin and try them out. Thank you.
Thank you.
We're leaving Greg's now. He's getting the bikes all dialed. Can't wait to come pick them up when they're ready. Dad just pulled in with the wheels fully installed. Look at those. Wow. We're gonna take the bikes off, go take them for a spin.
For sure we are. We just got the bikes home, and man, they look so cool on my bike, on my red bike. The hub is much louder, much louder. I bet we're gonna go much faster when we race. I'm so excited to race right now. Woo! What do you think, Jack?
Just the deep wheels, they're super fast, smooth, and awesome.
Let's go over the specs of these incredible Hunt wheels.
So these wheels are called the Hunt Aerodynamic 54 carbon disc wheel set.
Hunt claims that the weight of this wheel set is 1,524 grams.
So these wheels are 54mm deep, and the internal width is 20mm, and the external width is 29mm.
These wheels come tubeless ready for rolling resistance, lighter weight, and puncture protection.
So these are the Sprint Straight pull hubs, and as you saw earlier, they're really loud and there's a lot of engagement. They come in at $1,399, so a little bit lower than like the high-end stuff, but still a really good, awesome for the price wheel set.
Just got back from our bike ride with our new Hunt wheels, and man, they keep the speed so good and they are awesome.
Yeah, Greg set them up perfectly. They're 54mm deep, just the best road wheels.
As always,
You know it.
Bros Ride Bikes.